I know that East Windsor takes their law enforcement very seriously. I see that every week in the paper when I see all the police reports, especially where we're pulling people over for something hanging from their windshield. It just seems like some ticky-tack traffic stops in order to generate revenue, which I guess last year was almost $500,000. But if the town is going to be that stringent on following the laws, I'm kind of curious why the council is not following the state law as far as the Open Meetings Act and the minutes. I'm sure you're aware I did file a request for an Open Public Records Request Act on April 4th. Mr. Brady called me to ask for an extension, which I think I graciously provided him as much time as he needed. And 2 weeks later, I'm sorry, I was denied the copies of the closed minutes for executive meetings of the council. And then I took an email just to say that I'm going to see you in court if I don't get this, and you guys decided that, yeah, you were going to give me the minutes. And just thumbing through the minutes, looking at the New Jersey open meeting laws, you are required to compile reasonably comprehensive minutes of your meetings. And I'm just looking at August 7th, you've got the meeting was held per the resolution, the people that were here, and the purpose of the closed session, attorney-client privilege litigation. That's not acceptable. You have to take minutes and record the information. Now, you may not have any obligation to release that to me while you're still pursuing litigation, but there's no history of this. So, just for an example, if somebody is running and wins a seat from another party in the fall on the council, they're supposed to have these minutes to go back to reference what this issue was. They're not supposed to be relying on the other council members to tell them what it is. So you are in violation of state law by not compiling reasonably comprehensive minutes. And I don't know how anybody could think that this is reasonably comprehensive, just saying that we were discussing litigation. I find it very troubling on one hand while we have the police, really being hardcore, and I'm not against the police at all. I think that a lot of that is driven, to produce revenue for the township. I'm very mad at myself about letting this red light camera thing slip by me. I should have been over here a long time ago. I hate that program, and I think anybody that knows anything about it, you've done any research on it, it's a faulty program. It's nothing but a revenue generator. But if you're going to be that hardcore on us citizens, we should be expecting the same from you, to follow the law. And I would really like to see this be rectified. Thank you.